You're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips that will help you maintain your bakery. And as you scale, step by step, you also need to maintain certain standards in your bakery. So stick to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button, which is very, very important, so that the algorithm will, suggest this video to more persons. And that way you're helping me and you're also helping to reach out to more persons. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. Number one tip is learn to keep your bakery clean. The bakery must be clean 24/7. You should learn to wash the mixer after mixing, after the day's mixing. Wash it, don't keep it till the next day before you wash. Wash everything that you use. Now, for your pans, you cannot be washing pans every day because it will get spoiled. Some will rust and it will spoil. But you should be cleaning it before use. That means after baking, when you come to bake the next day, or after baking, at the end of the day, clean the pans and arrange them properly, well organized. For your oven, also clean the oven and get it ready for the next day. Don't keep it till the next day. There will be microorganisms that will grow on it, thereby leading to contamination of your product. Number two is customer service. For you to maintain sales, for your sales to keep increasing, you need to maintain those that are already connected to you. And so you must train your workers to master customer service. From the first minute they step into the bakery, they must be well taken care of. Good attention must be given to them, good approach, and everything well organized. If you have good customer service, even those that go for supply, the way they relate to the customers, to the retailers, the way they relate to every person connected to the business will determine if your business will grow or will be destroyed. So you need to maintain good customer service to scale. For you to be able to scale, for you to grow rapidly, there must be that customer relationship. The third point is maintain standard in terms of quality and taste. Your bakery products, should be of standard. Don't just today any of your product that is not up to standard, please don't send it out. Don't sell it. Irrespective of the quantity, you must maintain a certain standard. Let your customer trust your product. Let the people that are consuming trust your product. And so if there is a mistake, in course of trying to produce, something was missing, please, that product should not be sent out. Because if you send out just one wrong product, one product that is not up to standard, I tell you that one will go far in destroying the standard, the good name, the brand you have built. I tell you the truth. So you must learn to maintain good flavor, standard quality product all the time. The fourth point is control your payroll. There are persons that should not be earning every month. There are persons you don't need to employ them. You don't need to make them be fully engaged in your bakery. Just pay them as they work. Those people that come to pick to go and distribute, you don't need to pay them every month. You don't need to fix a salary for them. They should be paid according to how they work. If they come today for distribution, you calculate their daily pay and give it to them. Let them go. It's not everybody that should be on your monthly payroll. Also, you have to be careful on the way you increase salaries. You have to be careful how much you are paying your staff. You have to be careful in order to maintain good profit and also maintain the equipment. If you are not doing that, you just wake up one day and find out that you are just running the bakery for your staffs because there is nothing to go home with. And so you have to be careful of your payroll. Finally, service your equipment. Don't just be using it. Don't just be using the mixer and it has developed one sound. You're still using it. You do not call for a technician to come and check. Your oven is no longer giving that hotness. It's no longer generating enough heat. You're still managing. call for a technician. If your generator, everything in the bakery, you must maintain it. Pay close attention to the details, every detail in the bakery. It will help you to maintain a standard, good quality bakery, and in turn, you will always have profit. You will always see good returns and smile to the bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. See you in our next video. God bless you.